As a busy mom, cleaning the house often feels like one more chore on an endless list. Between managing meals, work, school activities, and family time, it's no wonder housework can be overwhelming. But keeping a tidy home doesn't have to take up all of your free time. Here are 25 easy, time-saving cleaning hacks to help you keep things tidy and make more time for what matters most. If you are new to the channel, welcome. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. You can find my free printables to help you get organized in the drop-down menu under the printables category over at dmiddleton.com. Now let's take a look at those 25 cleaning hacks. Number 1, use dryer sheets to clean baseboards. Dryer sheets do double duty by repelling dust and by adding a fresh scent. Simply rub them along your baseboards and they'll keep dust at bay longer than a damp mop. Number 2, microwave lemon water for a quick clean. Fill a microwave-safe bowl with water and a few slices of lemon. Microwave for 3 to 5 minutes and let the steam loosen the food particles. Then wipe down the microwave for a quick, fresh clean. Number 3, keep bathroom wipes handy. Store bathroom cleaning wipes in each bathroom for a quick wipe down whenever you have a minute. It's easy to grab one and give the counter a quick swipe. Number 4, use vinegar and baking soda for your sink. Pour baking soda and vinegar down the sink and then rinse with hot water. This combo tackles clogs and it freshens up your drains without the use of chemicals. Number 5, set a timer for speed cleaning. Set a 10-minute timer and focus on tidying just one room or space. You'll be surprised at how much you can accomplish when you work against the clock. Number 6, laundry basket tidy up. Keep a laundry basket in high-traffic areas to collect items that belong elsewhere. When you have a few minutes, you can quickly redistribute those items to where they belong. Number 7, clean toys in the dishwasher. Many plastic toys are dishwasher safe. Throw them in on a light cycle to save time of scrubbing by hand. To keep up with tiny pieces, you can throw them in a lingerie bag and wash them on the top rack. Number 8, use pillowcases for fan blades. Slip an old pillowcase over each blade, trapping the dust inside as you pull it back. It's a mess-free way to clean your ceiling fans without getting dust everywhere. Number 9, spray your shower walls with vinegar. Keep a spray bottle with half vinegar and half water in the shower. Spray down the walls after each use to prevent soap scum buildup. Number 10, use coffee filters for dusting screens. Coffee filters are a great way to wipe down TV and computer screens without leaving lint behind. Number 11, sanitize your sponges in the microwave. Microwaving a wet sponge for a minute can kill bacteria. Just make sure it's damp and microwave safe. Number 12, use socks for dusting blinds. Slip an old sock onto your hand and run it along the blinds for a quick dusting solution. Number 13, assign daily tasks. Break down your housework into small daily tasks like wiping counters, vacuuming high-traffic areas, or washing dishes right after meals. Number 14, wipe as you go in the kitchen. After cooking, always wipe down your counters and stovetops. It prevents grease and grime from building up and it makes for quicker, deep cleans. Number 15, spray and wait for the shower. Spray bathroom cleaner on surfaces and let it sit while you clean other areas. This allows the cleaner to work, making grime easier to wipe away. Better yet, use the no scrub solution Wet It and Forget It shower spray. You can see my unbiased video of this product. I'll link that video at the end of this video. Number 16, use a toothbrush for tiny spots. Keep an old toothbrush handy for scrubbing hard-to-reach spots like faucets and tile grout. Number 17, declutter regularly. Set aside time each week to put things away, toss out expired items, and minimize clutter making cleaning easier and faster. Number 18, use a lint roller for quick dusting. Lint rollers are excellent for picking up crumbs, pet hair, and dust from surfaces like couches, lampshades, and shelves. Number 19, if you're a mom, teach kids to help out. Make cleaning a family affair. Assign age-appropriate chores and turn cleaning into a fun challenge with rewards for your little helpers. Number 20, store your cleaning supplies nearby. Keep supplies in each room, like a dust cloth or a spray bottle in the bathroom, so you can clean as you go without having to hunt for supplies. Number 21, minimize the time it takes to make the bed. You can make bed making easier by minimizing the bedding and the number of pillows. Too many decorative pillows adds time to this task. Number 22, vacuum last in each room. Save vacuuming for last to pick up dust and crumbs that settle on the floor as you clean off the other surfaces. Or, better yet, get a robotic vacuum that you can run daily. You don't even need to buy it new or spend lots of money. I found a great one at my local thrift store, and I use it daily. Number 23, clean with a multi-purpose cleaner. Using a versatile cleaner that works on countertops, glass, and surfaces helps you to avoid switching products. Number 24, tackle spots with baking soda. Baking soda is excellent for tough stains on stainless steel, countertops, stovetops, and even carpet. Sprinkle it on, scrub it gently, and watch those stains disappear. And finally, number 25, clean removable light fixtures that are glass in the dishwasher. Remove your glass globes and run them through the dishwasher cycle. They look so beautiful and clean when you do this, and it saves you time from having to scrub them by hand. After you're done, take a well-deserved break. Even small efforts to keep your home clean and organized are worth celebrating. With a few simple changes, keeping a clean and organized home can be manageable even with a busy schedule. These 25 hacks are all about efficiency, so you can save time and stress less about housework. Try adding a few of these to your routine and you'll be surprised how much easier cleaning becomes. How about you? Do you have some great cleaning hacks that save you time and energy? If so, please share them in the comments below. Do you use a housekeeping schedule? I will have one for you that I can link below. Is decluttering part of your cleaning plan? If you need to declutter, I have Declutter Checklist over at dmiddleton.com. If you need to do more deep cleaning, I have checklists and guides to help you with that over at dmiddleton.com or at the links below. I have a housekeeping ebook entitled Makeover Your Homemaking. If housekeeping is an area that you struggle with, this ebook will guide you in creating your own housekeeping schedule. I try to cover everything from balancing your bank balance to cleaning your kitchen. I will link that information for you in this video description. If you are looking to get more organized, I can help with that too. I blog and make videos about cleaning, decluttering, and organizing. Check out the links below to get started. Thanks for watching.